Hi everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can fix the OTG problem in your device Oppo A16 and A16k. So if in this device A16 and A16k you are having any problem related to the OTG, like your OTG is not working or not connecting, you can fix it just by following the few steps. So before we start it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch till end, and you will learn how you can fix it. Let's watch the video.